Hi, I'm Deb Schmucker. I'm a factory representative for the Luxe Fifth Wheels and Toy Haulers. And this morning we have kind of a unique thing happen. We have a coach that came in on consignment. And I wanted to do a video on this coach because I'll find out how many of you have watched this for a long time. This is one of the first ones that we did custom color on and a lot of customizing on the inside. The coach was brought back in last week, so we don't very often get our coaches back in used. This is a 42RL. It has the 5.5 Onan generator, which now we've gone up to the 6.5, but it has a 5.5 Onan generator. They did put on the Gen Y pin box, which of course came along long after, so we added that for them. As you can see, the custom color is Kansas City Royal Blue with gold accent. That was his favorite colors, and so the coach is bright. The thing I really wanted to point out to you is not a lot has changed for us. We still have the equalizer leveling system on this with the 12-inch pads on the front, 10-inch octagon pads on the 4 back feet. You have the same 3-inch thick walls. These were the hung wall application. This one does have the power steps that we used to do. So that's a little bit different, but other than that, this is the 42RL. It has the slide out awnings on it. It has window silks on it. It's got the big pass-through storage, the Arctic package. So there's a lot of features on it, and you'll see more of that we'll list when, on the post. I just wanted you to see the outside because it is very unique. And if you remember, we did a video on this one called Big Blue. And many of you used to contact me and tell me that you saw Big Blue going down the road. So this is the historic Big Blue 42RL coach that we built in the latter part of 2016. So it's a 2017. Let's go inside and see some of the features. So we're inside the 42RL now, and as you can see, there are some things that are different about this one. As I said, he did a lot of tailoring to this in that day and time. We didn't do tons of tailoring. This was one of the early ones. As you can see, some of the features are he did wood valances over the top. This wood is a dark wood, and it's not the Brazilian that you hear us talk about now. This is Knotty Adler, and that's what we use then. So you will, as you go through, see places on the wood where there are knots. It gave it a lot of character. It was one of the woods we used when we first started building the Luxes. So he did the wood valances. He did the Lambrite recliner rockers that swivel. He wanted the smaller profile so they had more room. He also wanted a lot of light, so he did big windows and did not do the buffet. He did a standard table and chairs in the coach. He kept the hide-a-bed sofa in the back. He also had the Firefly, which was the command system that we used. He was one of the first ones to take out the storage entertainment center on the Luxe and put in the televator. He did it early. So this one does have a televator. It has a window behind the televator that you can see. This gives you a lot of light, and having the window behind the TV gives you more light coming in from this side of the coach, which normally is built in and has all cabinetry. The 42RL is very popular because of the extra storage that we have. You can see in the kitchen, we have the double pantry here with drawer storage below. They did not do a dishwasher. You have the double pantry with adjustable shelving on the inside, so you have a lot of storage here. There you can see one of the nuts in this. They're so cool. You also can see it here, maybe. Then you have a lot of counter space. They were going to do a lot of traveling, so they really weren't interested in a big oven or anything. They put in the standard induction cooktop. They did, of course, by standards, you had the convection 30-inch microwave. You have a lot of storage overhead, and you have a lot of counter space on this coach. When we did this coach, they used to have standard colors. So if you got a countertop, you got certain backsplash, certain wood colors. They did mix it up a little bit with their backsplash and their countertop that they did. He sent in his own faucet that he wanted put on. He did the standard 50-50 stainless steel sink which is still very beautiful. You can see they didn't get the opportunity to use it a lot. We have then the storage beside here. You have adjustable shelves. He wanted this because he loved wine. They loved wine, so they had this for their wine glasses to hang. They had adjustable shelves here, pull-out drawers with a deep drawer there for pots and pans if you wanted to use it. And then we created the wine rack up here for them that they stored their wines in. You have storage down here. He's got a vac down here. He's got storage here. A lot of storage underneath. This was his wastebasket storage. He wanted it so you could pull it out and not be a door that opened up. So that's the wastebasket storage right beside the stove and right behind the sink. This, because of not having a stove, gave you two more really good storage areas. You're going to get the bonus of the stacking pans they left in. So you have the pans. You got pull-out drawers, which is really nice because you don't have to reach back, try to get to stuff. So this was a feature that he wanted in for her that we did. And of course, just more storage. There's just a ton of storage in this coach. You have your refrigerator, the 21 cubic foot residential, storage above. We're going to go upstairs. You have your control center here. Breaker boxes here. Gen control. The thing I liked about the 42RL is it's such a functional coach. You do not have to have a half bath in this coach. I love this coach because you can enter the bathroom from the hallway. You can enter the bedroom from the hallway. And the reason I love that is because you can also close off this bathroom. You can enter the bedroom from the bath. You can close that off. So if you do have guests stay with you, they can use this bathroom and you don't feel like they're intruding on your space. You also can go into the bedroom from the bathroom, so you don't have to come out in the hallway. It's just a great feature, and you've got a lot more space up here in the bathroom. So you can come through. One of the features that he loved vessel sinks. So as you can see, when he sent in the vessel or brought in the vessel sink to me, he also had to bring in a different faucet. He brought in a bronze faucet. Because of the height of the vessel sink. It is a beautiful sink. You got your corner storage area here. You've got your storage in your medicine cabinets, front and each side, storage underneath. And we also put an outlet here that they could use for the countertop. You have a great towel rack here, so you've got a lot of space. Your shower's over to the side. Your sink is in the corner. Like I said, it really has a lot of functional space in it. When you come through, you can come through, and this slide goes through into the bedroom, but this part of the slide is your linen closet. So I love this because you have storage here, okay, in drawers. You have storage in here. All of his closets were cedar lined. He wanted that. So you can see that when we come through. You have adjustable shelving. This is where the washer and dryer goes. And I'm going to do this so you can see. He did a washer and dryer. So it's actually in the bathroom area and right beside the bedroom. So that's a great placement for the washer and dryer without being in one of your closets and without taking up a lot of extra space. So when you come through then into the bedroom, this is the one that I talk about all the time when you talk about our insulation and our front caps. That the front cap has 4 layers of insulation in it, which is why where most coaches don't have any, or they may just have astrofoil, that's how we can put a bed in the nose of this coach. A lot of coaches, when you open the closet doors, you'll feel a temperature change. We have so much insulation in our front cap that we can actually put the bed in the front of the cap. So you have your storage over the bed. You have a nightstand on each side of the bed. You have separate closets. You have one on each side. And like I said, they are all cedar lined. I'll let you come through and you can see in that. This dresser is put here. Your entertainment center is at the foot of the bed. So again, you have more storage here for whatever you want to use it for. Again, a lot of storage in the bedroom. You have that closet, then you have this closet. And since we don't have a closet in the front, we put the 4 drawers in this closet. So these are both slide outs on either side. So you have 4 drawers on this side. So we still have your drawer storage. You have extra storage up here. Again, storage in here, cedar lined, clothes rod. Same on this side. And again, now we can exit the bedroom from the hallway. So that's really, and of course we have the soft touch walls as we always have. Your control panels, soft touch ceiling. So I just wanted to take you through this coach, show you the specials that he did. This coach is kind of a piece of history with our company, and it is now going to be up on the website for sale. We have it here in the Elkhart location, and you can call one of the sales reps to get the information. Thank you.